Hey, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I'm going to show you the simplest and quickest way to create a legitimate business that'll pay you over $10,000 every single month. That's right, $10,000, and I actually have some proof which I'm going to show you really soon in this video. This is an incredible, little known opportunity at the moment, so I'm really excited to reveal it to you today. But before I reveal the easy 4-step process for you to start making money, I want to show you some incredible results. Alright, so here you can see my sales from March of 2016 to March of 2017. Now of course it started out kind of slow. I was only making around $100 per day because you're not going to be making millions of dollars right off the bat. But then it started to go up and I got like 500 to 700, and this kept on going on until around December, and then I started to get some big spikes. So you can see there, that's like $1,000 in sales, then like $7,000 in January, and then like there's another big spike there, and you can just see it just keeps on going up. And overall, in total, I had $131,000 in sales over the course of a year. So, as you can see, the possibilities from this method are absolutely endless, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that you can make $10,000 every single month. Now, here's something else I want to show you. This is called the fortnightly payout, and basically it's what Amazon pays me every 2 weeks. So not every month, but every 2 weeks. So you can see there's 10,000 on the far right, 13,000, 8,000, and if you multiply that by 2, you can get the monthly payment. So you can potentially make a lot more than $10,000 every single month. So, what is this incredible opportunity, and how can you get started earning money today? The opportunity is called Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. Have you heard of it? Some have, but few understand the opportunity really at hand. Let me show you just how big this opportunity and Amazon is. So, 2 years ago, Amazon sold $107 billion in sales. That's 107 with 9 zeros. And just to show you how big this number is, I'm pulling up my calculator and just look at that. That's huge. Now, last year they sold $135 billion worth of products, while this year they are on track to sell $170 billion worth of products and own close to half of every e-commerce sale in the United States. Based on their dominance and this growth in e-commerce, they are projected to do over $400 billion over the next few years. So right now is the best time to get in the door, sell your product on Amazon, and get your piece of this trillion-dollar pie. What most people don't know, however, is that Amazon doesn't just sell their own products. They sell other people's products, like yours, for just a small fee. This means that you can leverage all of Amazon's customer base and keep all the profit under your own brand name. So let me show you just how simple and obvious this system is. So, how can you get started on Amazon FBA? Going from zero to having a product selling on Amazon that makes you $10,000 a month can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is that you need to find a Goldilocks product. Basically, you want something that's just right for you. Although Amazon has been around for a while, there are currently millions of product opportunities still available on Amazon that can make you money for the next 10 years and beyond. And though there are a lot of highly profitable products to sell, there are a lot of products that will lose you money too. The good news is that there is a very specific set of product criteria and a foolproof strategy to find red-hot opportunities guaranteed to make you 5 figures a month. Let's take a look at some examples. Alright, so for our first example, I want to show you dog beds. They're pretty inexpensive to manufacture and to make, but let's look at the different revenues that these sellers are making from selling this product. So you can see here, they're making tens of thousands of dollars, even hundreds of thousands, just by selling dog beds. And the extension here is called Jungle Scout. I highly recommend it. It lets you see the different prices and the revenues that these people are making, so you can see what's the most profitable items to buy and to sell. But anyway, now let's look at knee braces, and these are also pretty cheap to buy, to manufacture, but look at the profits. They're also making tens of thousands of dollars just by selling these simple products. And the best part is, You can do this too if you just follow the steps I'm outlining for you in this video. Alright, so how do you select the product that's just right for you? Well, by using the following 3 product selection criteria, you will be able to find a Goldilocks product that is guaranteed to make you money. First, you have to think about the competition. You want to go into a smaller market with fewer rival products. Next, look at the demand. You want to make sure that there are thousands of people buying this product every day. And finally, think about the profit potential. You want to make sure that you can sell your product for at least 5 times the price that you paid for it. Okay, so now that you've selected your product, how can you stock up on that product so you can start selling it? Well, step 2 is to find a trusted supplier. Once you have validated your product idea, you no longer have to learn Mandarin and travel to China in order to source your product. It's 2017, and there is an incredibly powerful website with millions of English-speaking, trustworthy factories bidding to create your product for you while you sit in the comfort of your own home. The best news is that your supplier can send your product straight to the Amazon warehouse for them to sell and ship for you. The website I use is called Alibaba, and it will make you rich. Let me show you how simple it would be to source our first product of a knee brace. Alright, so here you can see once again the different knee braces that are being sold on Amazon. And you can just look right here, they're selling for like $13 to $15. Now, we'll go into Alibaba, so alibaba.com, and we'll look up our product. So in this case, we're going to look up a knee brace. And once it loads, just look at the prices. They're so much lower. And we're just going to keep on scrolling down a little bit, and you can see right here, look at that. It looks very similar, if not almost identical, to this one that's being sold on Amazon. And look at the price. It's only between $1 and $1.50 for each knee brace. So the people selling this Uflex Athletics, they're making between $11 to like $14 per knee brace that they sell. That's a huge profit margin, and it's something you can take advantage of yourself if you sell on Amazon. Now for our final step, step 3, which is to launch ahead of your competitors. Once you understand Amazon's algorithm, you can even use it to your advantage using a meticulously engineered launch process that has proven to work for hundreds of successful launches. It's called the snowball launch, and it's all about creating sales momentum for your product to climb up the Amazon search results and grow your product's web reach. It's super simple to run Amazon ads to hyper-targeted keywords and make up to 12 times your money. That means that you spend $1 to make $12. Alright, so here are some targeted ads I've run. So you can see, for example, I spent $400 and I got almost $5,000 in sales. And you can see it just keeps on going down. So another one, I spent almost $2,000 and I got $18,000 in sales. So I'm making almost 10 times what I spend back in sales as profit. Okay, now I want to show you the program that's produced life-changing results and its incredible creators, Evan and Benji, who you can see right here on the screen. They are amazing people, and they've helped me every step of the way to creating a successful Amazon business. And they can help you too, because they have a full step-by-step blueprint that walks you through how to build this business from scratch as quickly as possible. Whether you have zero business experience or have been at this make money thing for a while, Evan and Benji are at the center of everything you need to know about the latest cutting-edge strategies and tactics to build a real business on Amazon that pays you $10,000 every month. If you are like most of the people they've helped, you don't want to work for someone else. You want financial freedom in your life. You want security. You want to be able to live life on your own terms. You want to be able to spend time with your family and to do what you want when you want. Does any of this sound like you? If it does, then you are perfect for building an FBA business. And they have a little class here. If you go on their website, it's called Freedom Formula. And you go into the library, and you can see here, they have an Amazon FBA Masterclass. And this masterclass will get you into building a successful business. like there are thousands of elated students all over the world, you will create a long-term, profitable business that you can be proud of. One you can grow for as long as you want. One that you can have fun building, because you're building something for yourself, not for someone else. The Amazon FBA Masterclass is a full-fledged package of everything you need to build your own successful, sustainable businesses as quickly as possible. In fact, much quicker than just about any other business on the planet. Alright, so now I want to give you guys a little sneak peek of what you can expect to get from this masterclass. So let's take a quick look inside it. You can see here that it's a 12-hour course broken up into 10 modules with a total of 90 lessons. Each module corresponds to a topic of Amazon that you can use to build your own successful business. So, for example, if you want to know more about finding and validating your first Amazon FBA product idea, you just click on the module and you can see all the different lessons that are under that module. And you can do this for just about any other Amazon FBA topic you can think of. They go into a lot more depth than I did in this video, so make sure you check out this amazing course in order to start building your Amazon empire. In fact, because I saw how valuable this could be to you in your life, I have negotiated with Evan and Benji, and today you can get a whopping $200 off this incredible course to jumpstart your $10,000 per month passive income business today. Just use the link in the description below to get this massive discount. Alright, so that wraps up everything I wanted to show you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income, online and at home.